We'll guide you through how to fix the keyboard not working on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying and inconvenient as you then can't properly go and use it as the keyboard isn't working. So you've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, you want to go and open up your settings. So you can go and press on the Windows Start button at the bottom and find Settings, or right click on it and go and click on Settings as well. Come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for accessibility. Scroll down into the section Interaction and you can go and click on Keyboard. And what you want to do is make sure Filter Keys is turned off. If it doesn't, what you want to do is go and right click on the Windows Start button and find the option for Device Manager in the list. Now what you need to do is go and find the option in here for keyboards, and you can go and press the arrow to the left to expand it. Right click on each one and we're going to go and uninstall it. You need to go and repeat that. You may only have one or you may have multiple. Now what you can do is try restarting your computer. So press the Windows Start button at the bottom and then you can go and press the power button and press restart. When it starts again, go and see if the problem is solved. Hopefully it is. As a last resort, you can try using the on-screen keyboard. Right click on the start button and press settings. Then you want to scroll down on the left and press accessibility. Scroll down to the bottom to interaction and press keyboard. And you can scroll down and turn on the on-screen keyboard.